Chapter 5 Volume Basic volume plots. One approach to determine the volume trend is to plot two averages lines of volumes, a fast and a slow moving average. This has the advantage of showing a potential change in trend, and the fast average line crosses above slow average line. Another method is to plot a comparison of longer term average to shorter term average by percentage. Under normal market conditions, volume tends to expand and contract with the price trend. The movement of price and volume should be similar progression. During upward price movement, volume should expand, and during the downward price movement, volume should contract. We use volume to assess the strength and health of the prevailing trend. The specific number of single volume bar is not important, and the interpretation of volume should not be based on a single daily bar. Volume should be studied in perspective with its recent action. Volume as an indicator will often be more meaningful when average volume is used. Volume is a combination of activity by buyers and sellers. Thus, all markets tend to seek to trade at an accepted price level that maximizes volume. If a market is not allowing trade at such price level, it will seek a new level that will provide better trading. Volume increases as price rallies and decreases as price pulls back into consolidation patterns. Volume is useful to confirm whether a current move is likely to continue or it is merely to false start. Money flow indicator. Besides plotting the volume data to monitor the correlation of price and volume, nowadays, with ease of computers, various oscillators have been developed to quantify the relationship between price and volume. These indicators are generally called money flow indicators. There are many of them. The main purpose of price volume indicators is to segregate the total volume into positive volume and negative volume, which may reveal a new condition of market when derived from certain calculations with price. A money flow indicator can be used as standalone indicator, but it is better to combine it with another price derivative trading system.